Good morning to one and all. My name is G. Somesh and I am from EC branch D section. Today's topic about code conversion of decimal to hexadecimal. Introduction to hexadecimal numbers. Hexadecimal numbers, sometimes called hex for short, when used in the context of computers, are taken from the words hex, meaning 6, and decimal, meaning 10. So combining the two, you get 16. Hexadecimal numbers are numbers just like decimal numbers but are in base 16 instead of 10. The base tells you how many digits can be used. In base 10, there are 10. In base 16, there are 16, like 0, 1, 2, 3, and up to 9, and the alphabetic letters up to F. Introduction to hexadecimal numbers. Also, we are now that we know what digits are involved, let's compare them to their decimal equivalents. To repeat, in base 16, there are 16 digits. Notice from the table that after we reach 9, the next number in decimal requires 2 digits, while for hexadecimal you only need one character. This because important when you want to show large numbers. We will get back to this, but first let's take another look at decimal numbers. A closer look at decimal. To better understand hexadecimal, let's take a closer look at decimal numbers. For example, the number 1274. You understand the number, but let's break down the digit in each position. Next, now you can see the table how it is, the number how it is breaked. Next, take the value for each position, add ones, twos, sevens, and that like that zeros. Notice 1000 is not added in since its position is implied as a leading zero, and all leading zeros are ignored. Probably all this is obvious to you since you work with decimal numbers all the time. Hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Let's apply what we just did in decimal to hexadecimal. For example, the hexadecimal number 1AF9. Just like we did in decimal, let's break down the digit in each position. Now you can see in the table how that number is breaked. Next, take the value for each position. Add ones, tens, fifteens, and nines. Like that, it will appear 6905 decimal. Notice an extra step was used to convert the characters A and F to their decimal equivalents, but the process was the same as the before, just like the decimal number 1274. Hexadecimal notation. Okay, so we can take a hexadecimal number IIF9 can convert it to decimal equivalent 6905. How about the number 1023? Just saying the number 1023 does not make it clear where there is a hexadecimal number 1023 or a decimal 1023. We know these two numbers are not the same. To avoid such problems, we notate hexadecimal numbers in several possible ways as shown in the following. 0 into 1023, the 0x being the notation for hexadecimal, 1023h, the h being the notation for hexadecimal hex 1023. Hexadecimal numbers are used to give color information in HTML code such as hashtag FF80CC, where the hashtag is the notation for hexadecimal. Also important is the hexadecimal number is not interrupted as a single number but rather three sets of two hexadecimal digits, each representing one of three colors RGB. RGB provided in hexadecimal. RGB red, green, and blue is used in HTML to provide a specific color designation. To give the hexadecimal color, it would be RRGGBB. Each color is represented by two hexadecimal characters. Being the notation for hexadecimal, RR being red with a value range of 00 to FF, GG being green with a value of range 00 to FF, BB being blue with a value range of 00 to FF. To convert this type of hexadecimal number, you first split the hexadecimal number into three sets of 2. For example, FF80CC. Like the below table, you can convert it. Check for understanding. What is the value of 0 into 2D45? What is the value of A10EH? What is the value of FF0080? Now you can see the below table What are the values? Decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Take the decimal number 8877. Look at each number starting with 4096. How many times can be 8877 can be divided by 4096? The answer is 2. Subtract that number from 8877. The remainder is 695. How many times can 695 divided by 256? The answer is 2. Subtract 256 into 2 512 from 695. The remainder is 183. How many times 183 can be divided by 16? The answer is 11. Take 183 and subtract 176. The remainder is 7. How many times can 7 be divided by 1? The number is 7. The remainder is 0. Put the numbers together and you have the hexadecimal number 22B7 or 0 into 22B7. The below table you can see the conversions and you can clearly understand. Check for understanding. What is a decimal 15309 in hexadecimal? What is decimal 9y56 in hexadecimal, and also 255 in hexadecimal? Check the below table. Thank you.